Hey guys, what's up? I decided to do a quick box opening video on December 1st, 31st, sorry, 2020. I had this one sitting for a while. I don't want the battery to get any more damaged. It is a brand new Alpine green that is still inside of the box after all these years. I just like the color. I went on my way to get it. I wish the once again, I'm going to say this. The rose gold had the white buttons with the white joysticks. I think that would have balanced out that controller color. But this Alpine green just looks amazing. So let's just get started. You can see all the dust on here because it's just been sitting. And I said, I want to start using it now. Let's start playing The Last of Us Part 2. So here we go. Really tight fit. Okay, so now I open it up. If you don't want wrinkles in the box, use a knife and hold it underneath. Then you get it out like that. And voila. Ooh, feels nice. Wow. Feels so Christmassy. Give me one sec. It looks pretty nice. Looks really nice. Wow, look at that. Is there some dust on it? It looks like there is. I know the batteries are dead. It's been sitting for years. So I'm going to be charging this baby up. And yeah, that's it. Trying to get the camera to focus a little better, but I seem to not be able to. Now you can see the gripping on it. It has black screws at the back. There you go. All brand new. It has a nice darkish green color. I mean, green is not exactly my favorite color, and it took me a while to grow on to this darker green color, but just the color combination is just so unique and cool. So there you go. And there's the typical stuff there. Thanks for checking this video out. I just don't know where on earth I'm gonna put this. There's just too much in the way. I have no more space. Where can I possibly put this? Well, in the meantime, it only makes sense to charge it. So, I'm just gonna charge it first, I guess. There we go, it's lighting up. It's charging from the back. So, in the meantime, I'll just use a different controller. And that's gonna be it. And thank you for watching.